Hello, what's up guys? My name is Mark and welcome to World of Mark and Chet. Okay, so for today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you my own fitness version of the song Hit by Mamamoo. Okay, so make sure to memorize the sequence. Okay, so this choreography is composed of 6 parts. The part A, part B, part C, part D, part E, and the chorus part. Okay, to begin, let's start with the chorus part. Okay, take your feet wide. Because the title of the song is Hip, the chorus part is all about your hips. Okay, so okay, feet wide, arms up, yeah, okay, elbows out, and your hip goes right, left, dip. There you go again. Left side, left, right, dip. Yeah, don't forget the dip. Let's do it again. Right, left, dip, and left, right, dip. That's the chorus part. Okay, so moving on. Part A. So the part A is nothing special. All you need to do is take your feet wide and bounce and clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So easy. That's the part A. Okay. Now the part B. Okay. Again, feet wide. I call this the steering wheel because it looks like you're steering a wheel. Okay. So give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 4 times. Start with your left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now turn your body side to side. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next step. Okay, so start with your right leg. Step, back tap, step, back tap. Easy as that. Start with your right leg. Step, back tap, step, back tap. Now let's add the arm. Right leg. Step, arms up, step, arms up. Yes, again. Right leg. Step, arms up, step, arms up. Okay, now let's put it together. The steering wheel and the back tap. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, back, last 1, 3, 4, step, back. Yes, there you go, easy. So you're gonna do that 4 times. Okay, moving on, the part C. So the part C is a combination. V-step and 2-step. Okay, so let's start with your right leg. Right leg. Make a V-step. Forward, back, 2-step. Left leg. Forward, back, 2-step. Right leg. Forward, back, 2-step. One more time. Forward, back. Now this time, let's add the arm. 1, 2, check out the arm. Over your head. Circle, over your head. Circle. V-step, 2-step, circle over your head. 1, 2, 3, this way. Perfect. That's the part C. Too easy, right? Now, the part D. The bounce. Okay, so feet wide. Turn your body to the side. Bend your knees and pop your elbow. Bend your knees. Pop your elbow. 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. 1, 2 together. 1, 2. Throw your arms in the air. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 more. Just like that. So you gotta do that 4 times again in a row. Okay, so moving on to part E. Okay. The part E is the reach and click combo. So let's start with the reach. Feet wide. So drop your hips, bend your knees, reach arm forward, and then pull it back. Reach, pull it back, and then hip circle. Just like that. Again. Reach, reach, back, hip circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the click combo. Okay, so you're gonna stay here. Bend your knees. All you need to do is throw your arms down and then click or snap it. Snap, 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 and snap, and then walk. Reach arm forward, reach, reach, reach. Let's try it again. Feet wide, bend your knees. Snap, snap, or throw and click. Reach, march, reach, march. Now let's put it together. The arm reach forward and the click. Okay? So feet wide. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Reach, reach, hip, hip, hip. Reach, reach, hip, hip, hip. Click, 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 click. Closer, reach, reach, reach. And there you go. So that's the parts of this choreography. Now let's try it with the music. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Woo! Let's do this. Okay, before we start guys, gusto ko muna mag-shout out sa aming mga followers dyan. Una-una kay Tita Betmang ng Virginia, USA. And also shout out din kay Ate Margarita ng KSA. And shout out din kay Apsorn of Thailand. And shout out din kay Ate Neri and kay Ate Ligaya. And also kina Mimiwi, Veronica, and Oma. Shout out sa inyo guys. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. So sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe dyan, mag-subscribe na po kayo. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. Yan. Here. Para updated kayo every time na mag-upload kami ng mga bagong dance tutorial. Okay?
All I wanna be is 멋진 내 맘대로 걸어가게 머리 어깨 무릎 다
Part
힙해
A. Just clap. Move your hips side to side. So part B. Steering wheel. Backs up. Turn your body side to side. One more. Part two. B-step. Two-step. Two-step. Leaning with your hip. Part B, the bounce. Throw. Throw. Back to part A. Part E, reach. Reach. Hip. Circle. Bend your knees. Click. Walk it out. Reach. Chorus part. Arms up. 1, 2, 1, 2, hip. Hip. Show me the dip. Back to part C. B. Two step. Arms. Part D, the bounce. Bounce, go. Part A, clap.
Are you sexy?
Part E, reach. Hip, circle. Click. Walk it out. Carlos, I'm stuck. Show me the dip. Sexy. That's one. Part D, the bounce.
Mama.